Guys, welcome back to Food Overboard. It's Arthur here, and today we're gonna make some really clear and tasty chicken stock. First, we're gonna have a drink. I am an alcoholic. Cold water. Start with cold water. Always cold water. Whether you choose to blanch your bones, which you should, always cold water. Chicken necks and backs, chicken bones, water. Am I roasting my bones? Obviously it's too late because I already put it in a big pot of water and I'm already blanching it off. Chicken feed, awesome flavor. A lot of collagen gelatin in this. It'll definitely give that nice mouthfeel when you're tasting your stock. Since we're not roasting the chicken bones, we're actually gonna roast the chicken feet. The flavors that we're gonna add to the stock today are onions, carrot, and celery, also known as mirepoix. With the onions, the carrot, and the celery, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'm going to give it a nice roast. The most important thing I care about is clarity in a stock. You can see all that blood is coagulating around there on the side. Those are the impurities you wanna get rid of. That's also known as scum. I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water and I just wanna get all those impurities out of this pot. Filling up the pot right now. Cold water still. It's still going, and the most important thing you wanna know is how much water to add to your stock. Fill it up right to the bone. We're just gonna add that gently into the stock. Never stir your stocks, very important.
Don't stir it.
Aromatics. What we have here is bay leaf and peppercorns. You can salt it or you cannot, up to you. If you salt it to taste right now, you're gonna have a hard time cooking your dishes later. What we have here after 4.5 hours here, almost 5, is our beautiful chicken stock. It's very, very clear. And that's exactly what we want. Now, there's a secondary thing that we can do now. There's a lot of bones still left in that pot. Feels like almost a waste if we don't do something with it. It's called a remoulage. It's called a second wash. Fill it up right above to the bones again, and we're gonna leave it overnight, probably about 8 to 10 hours, and then we're gonna get the remaining flavor out of it. If you guys like this video, remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And of course, thank you very much for all the support we've had so far, and thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.